Hello, my name is Tsopole Kokotla. I'm an attorney and a director at Velden-Duffey attorneys in Rustenburg, and I specialize in litigation. Today, I want to tip you a bit on what to do should you ever get arrested. The first and most important thing that you must do is to contact a relative or a friend who can arrange an attorney for you. You must remember that the police can detain a person for up to 48 hours before a person appears in court. It's also very important to note that when we calculate the 48 hours, weekends are not included. For an example, a person who is arrested on a Friday morning will only appear in court for the first time on Monday morning. If that Monday morning is a public holiday, then the person will only appear in court on the Tuesday morning. Therefore, it is important to contact an attorney, someone who can come and advise you on your rights, on whether or not to make a statement, on the process that has to be followed for you to apply for bail. In certain cases, the police can give a person bail before the person appears in court. In such cases, discussions must be had with the investigating officer of the matter. That means the docket must be allocated to an investigating officer before a decision on bail can be made. What that practically means is, once a person has been arrested, the docket is opened, and the system, that is the system that the SAPS uses, will automatically allocate an investigating officer. Such investigating officer must then be contacted to come and look at the docket and make a decision as to whether or not the person must be released on bail. In most serious cases, the police do not have the power to give a suspect bail. For an example, in cases of murder or rape or armed robbery, the police cannot give a person bail. Such person has to be detained until the next court date before any decision can be made as far as bail is concerned. Cases that are not so serious, such as drunken driving, that is, driving whilst under the influence of alcohol, the police may make a decision on bail, provided the person does not have prior convictions. Now, in such cases, particularly with drunken driving cases, the police will normally detain a person until they are convinced that the person has sobered up. Cases such as domestic violence are very complicated. In fact, the police in most cases will not give a person bail, particularly if there is a fear that such suspect may go back and harm the very same victim. This is why it is very, very important to contact an attorney who can come and advise you of what to expect in a specific case. At Velden-Duffey attorneys, we always have attorneys on standby to assist in such cases.